It's a little noisy today. Let's get them digging a pit. And got a water well drilling rig. Put in a newer well, get a little more volume. And this is how it starts out. Yeah, starting to make some holes here. Won't be long. We'll be down there close to 500 feet. Of course, we're just getting started now. Well, a little over 300 feet, so we're getting closer to that bottom where we're going to get some water from. Made it to the final depth, just under 500 feet. Now it's pull out the pipe, stop for the evening. Tomorrow they'll ream it out and set casing. So it won't be long, we'll have plenty of water. And I have to say, this is one of the most professional water well companies I've used. I've had this the third well. And these people are out of Tyler, Texas. So if you're in the area and need a well drilled, I highly recommend them. Running pipe in the hole. Or casing, rather. Won't be long. We'll see if there's any water down there. Running the pump down in the wells. Won't be long here. We'll see if we've got some water coming out of that thing. The well's all drilled. We got a temporary setup here. Got the slab poured. So should be able tomorrow to go ahead and tie in the tank and build a little well house to set the controller in. I got it running here. Had to run it for a while and let it clean up. It's not quite there, but it's getting real close. So sometime this week I ought to have some water, making a good 15 gallons a minute. And we've got the pump all tied in, ready to, well, actually is pumping water to the house. A good 15 gallons a minute at 60 pounds. One thing about this well is I elected to go with a VFD system, which is the pump is a variable displacement. What it does is whenever you start using water, it starts pumping, but it doesn't pump wide open like your standard submersible. It will start up slow, and as the demand increases, it increases its speed, so it pumps water and holds a more constant pressure instead of your conventional wells where you'd say set it at 60 pounds and it would cycle between 40 and 60, up and down, up and down. This one used a smaller tank, only a 20 gallon diaphragm type tank, and it comes on and it might drop down. If it's got a heavy volume to start out, it might drop down to about 50 pounds, but then it automatically brings it up to back up to 60, and it holds it there for the entire time. For irrigation systems, this is great because you don't have a problem with that water fluctuation even when you're using a heavy water flow. It's a little cheaper on installation because it doesn't need as larger wire. This is actually a 3-phase pump instead of most submersibles. Your regular ones are single phase like your regular household current. It uses inside this box, it has a phase controller, so it increases, it uses this little sensor with the wire running from it to increase the pressure, or it senses the pressure, and then it tells it, and it takes and increases the pressure as it's needed. It's really a great system. But anyway, I hope this short video has actually let you know a little bit more about this type of water well. And if you find it interesting, hit that thumbs up, and you might share it. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified each time I put out new videos.